Did you know that Ukrainian grandmothers can write prayers on eggs using a 5,000-year-old secret code? These special eggs are called pisanka, and every line, color, and symbol works like a magic spell to protect whoever receives it. Master egg artists memorize over 200 different symbols. Cross patterns keep evil away. Wave designs help crops grow. Animal shapes give strength and help families have babies. Each region guards its own secret color combinations, like family treasures. The process is amazing to watch. Artists use heated metal tools called kiskas to draw with hot wax. They dip the eggs in different colored dyes, following ancient recipes. The timing has to be perfect, or the magic won't work. The most powerful eggs are made during Holy Week. The grandmothers say prayers in old Ukrainian words while they work by candlelight. When they're finished, these master artists can read any decorated egg like a book. They know exactly which family made it, what region it came from, and what blessing it carries.